So you see, the first thing I'm going to do is make the cell wider. It's a value error, which means there's a problem with the numbers somewhere. You'll notice I started online, so when I double click in the cell, it won't show me the little helpers. That's why I'm opening it in the app itself. So now when I double click in the cell, you'll see the blue and the red. Right away we know the red is a problem. So I'm multiplying D8 by G, which is not right. So I'm going to fix the cell. And by pressing F4, I do absolute referencing, which means it won't move. Now I still get the value error, which means there's a problem with the number. So what I'm going to do next is just start checking the numbers. So I'll make sure it's formatted as a number. I'll check the 12%, change the format, see if that makes a difference. Sometimes typing it in is going to make a difference. Now I'm just checking the sheet to see. So because we downloaded it from Logitell, does just basic math work? Once it does, I know that we can fix it. I'll type the formula in from scratch just to see if it makes a difference. It doesn't. Starting to get frustrated. So I'm just going to delete that information and then I'm going to start over. So what I think, I'm not sure if you typed in the numbers or if when you downloaded it already had the numbers. This is where I know the problem is with 82,000. I'm just going to type it in. I just have to remember what the number was, and you see it works. So now that we look at it, it wasn't typed in as a number, it was typed in with the $ and the comma, which Excel turns into text. So it doesn't matter what we did here, Excel would never work because it's saying I cannot multiply text by 12%. So if I want the $ and the comma, I'm not going to type them in, I'm going to add them through the format. So here I'm just checking the formula. I'm going to use absolute referencing by pressing F4. So those $ mean it won't move as I drag it down. Where I change the number, you'll see it worked. So now if I go and type these numbers from scratch, all of a sudden the formula is going to work. Good luck.